Welcome to Bloom. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about character encoding methods used in computer. There are several methods of character representation. Binary coded decimal, extended binary coded decimal interchange code or ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, or called as ASCII and Unicode, are the most popular character representation methods. In binary coded decimal or BCD, a digit is used. A digit is 4 bits or half a byte. Here we can see how the numbers are represented. The decimal digit is represented using 4 bits, 4 zeros, 1, 1, and the remaining are zeros, and again 2, the remaining are zeros likewise. So here up to 9 we can represent. For numbers which are greater than 9, we have to use 2 digits. For example, normally 18 we write this way, but in BCD we write 1 separately and 8 separately. Let's say we want to write 23, then what we have to write 0010 and 0011. 2 separate and 3 separate. Total 8 bits or 2 digits. Here we can't represent the sign. Next we have ASCII. In BCD we saw only numbers could be represented. In this we can represent alphanumeric codes. We can represent English letters, both uppercase and lowercase, numbers and punctuations. This has 7 bits. Actually it's 8 bit. The most significant bit is the parity bit, which checks for transmissions. The number of bits reserved for values is 7. So we can represent 128 codes. This is a table of ASCII character representation. As you can see, there are values from 0 to 127, and here in this fourth column the character represented by each decimal value is denoted. For example, if we take 34, it's double quotes. 34 double quotes is represented using 34. Then capital A, it's 65, and simple A, it's 97. The number 0 to 9 presented in this set from 48 to 57. So this is the ASCII character representation. Now we'll learn about Unicode encoding system. As we learned, ASCII only represents 127 characters. Therefore, it cannot be used to encode many types of characters found around the world. Therefore, ASCII encoding is technically almost obsolete and have been replaced by Unicode. This character encoding scheme can include characters from almost all of the living languages of the world. Further information can be found from the Unicode Consortium website. Unicode encoding system has 3 forms: 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit. This is called as Unicode Transformation Format, UTF. The default format is UTF-16, which consists of 2 bytes. 16-bit encoding format is usually shown as U plus HH. 4H represent 4 hexadecimal values. This is called code point of a character. In 16-bit format, more than 65,000 code points are available, and therefore more than 65,000 characters could be represented. The characters allowed by this 2 bytes region is called Basic Multilingual Plain or BMP. Another advantage of Unicode is that it uses the same encoding of ASCII in the first 128 characters. Therefore, UTF-8 is similar to ASCII format. Now you can see a sample of Unicode code points. This is UTF-16 format. As I mentioned before, the first 128 Unicode code points aligns with ASCII, and as you can see, 65 is capital A as same as ASCII encoding scheme. Now in this slide you can see some more Unicode characters. Here I have used Asian language Sinhala characters, which is not captured under ASCII format. The range starts with 0D80. Thank you for watching our video. Stay subscribed to watch more lessons.